Jamaica Table Tennis Association presidential challenger Andrew Liu has reacted to the possibility of a third candidate throwing their hat into the ring ahead of an impending annual general meeting for the association. Renata Brown reports.
Supreme Court ruling in September 2019, Andrew Liu has emerged as a lone opposition to incumbent Godfrey Lothian. But in the past few weeks, attorney at law Dr. Raman Midas has emerged as a potential third challenger. When asked about his view on a third contender for the post of the presidency, Liu welcomed it.
Whatever is best for the sport, I endorse it. It's a democratic process. Anyone that's qualified can run to be the presidential candidate. And so I look forward to the day when the sport can be back at its place of prominence in society again. And all stakeholders will benefit from having table tennis properly governed and properly administered in Jamaica.
In the meantime, Liu says he will not give up on the fight to bring an end to the dispute over the list of affiliates, which has been at the heart of the standoff. Last week, news emerged that Lothian was looking to re-include the Umpires and Referees Association and the Kingston and St. Andrew Cricket Association after both were taken off the list. The delay in the signing of the affiliates list and a war of words between both sides led to the chairman of the resolution committee, Anthony Davis, resigning last week. Liu says despite the delayed tactics, he will look to bring to an end the impasse at the next special general meeting.
I've worked really hard on it, and I've tried to do it the correct way and made every effort to have due process followed. We went to the DRA after unsuccessfully going to the GOA, and we can't afford for the sport to suffer any further. I've spoken to two junior players. They really want to get going, and they've been really badly affected, So we have to do something now to move the sport forward. I have been trying my best to act with restraint and.
A group of 10 affiliates signed a petition last week for the association to convene a special general meeting with the intention to push through a vote of no confidence against Lothian. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.